For DIY spraying of Talik and Bifenthrin around your house, you need gear that guarantees even coverage and keeps you safe. Start with a 1-gallon pump sprayer that offers a fine adjustable nozzle and a pressure relief valve. Use a clear measuring container with marked gradations to mix the insecticide at the label recommended rate and avoid guesswork. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and full-face eye protection such as splash goggles to prevent skin and eye contact. Add a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, and chemical-resistant boots or shoe covers to reduce skin exposure, and bring a disposable respirator rated for organic vapors if you have asthma or will be spraying near enclosed spaces. Keep a garden hose and spray nozzle ready for an immediate washdown of accidental splashes on skin and for rinsing equipment after use. Before you start, read the product label closely, test your sprayer on a small section to confirm delivery rate, and mark your walking path so you do not re-wet treated surfaces. Common mistakes include over-concentrating the mix because someone eyeballed it, which can cause plant damage and unnecessary exposure, so always measure and follow the label. Another frequent issue is poor nozzle selection that creates large droplets or uneven coverage, so use a fine adjustable nozzle and walk at a steady pace, overlapping each sweep by 50% to ensure even application. People also neglect post-application cleanup, which risks contamination of tools and clothing, so flush and rinse the sprayer thoroughly outdoors, launder clothing separately, and hose down boots before entering the house. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance for projects like pest control. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, compare equipment, and help contractors find work through local homeowner requests.